Number 21. Do activities. It means to engage in various tasks or hobbies.
We do fun activities on the weekend. We do fun activities on the weekend. They do activities together to stay active. They do activities together to stay active. Let's do some activities in the park today. Let's do some activities in the park today.
Number 22. Do archery. It means to participate in the sport of shooting arrows.
He wants to do archery this summer. He wants to do archery this summer. They do archery at the local sports club. They do archery at the local sports club. She started to do archery as a hobby. She started to do archery as a hobby.
Number 23. Do the cooking. It means to prepare meals.
I'll do the cooking tonight, don't worry. I'll do the cooking tonight, don't worry. He does the cooking on weekends. He does the cooking on weekends. She's doing the cooking for the party. She's doing the cooking for the party.
Number 24. Do a course. It means to enroll in and attend a specific class or program.
She's going to do a course in photography. She's going to do a course in photography. They decided to do a course together. They decided to do a course together. I did a course on Italian cooking last year. I did a course on Italian cooking last year.
Number 25. Do a degree. It means to study for and complete a university qualification.
He's doing a degree in biology. He's doing a degree in biology. She decided to do a degree in marketing. She decided to do a degree in marketing. Many students do a degree abroad. Many students do a degree abroad.